Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify 3D Secure with Stripe for higher approval rates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify 3D Secure with Stripe, start by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard, where you'll find an overview of your payments and settings. Next, select the Developers tab from the sidebar. In the Developers section, locate and click on API Keys. These keys will be necessary for integrating 3D Secure into your application. Now, go to your payment form setup. Ensure that you're using Stripe Elements or Stripe.js for secure payment entry. Add the necessary code to implement 3D Secure authentication. This typically includes handling the payment intent objects for secure transactions. Next, enable 3D Secure in your payment settings. This ensures that Stripe will process transactions requiring additional authentication. Once enabled, customize your payment workflow to handle authentication challenges. When a customer initiates a payment, create a payment intent. Make sure to set payment_method_types to include card. This allows you to utilize 3D Secure features during the payment process. When the customer inputs their card details, integrate the card element into your form. Trigger the authentication sequence using the Stripe API, resulting in a 3D Secure prompt. Monitor for responses from the 3D Secure verification process. If the authentication is successful, confirm the payment intent. Be prepared to handle potential declines or failures in the verification process. Consider implementing logic to reattempt payments if necessary. For data tracking, ensure you log the results of these transactions in your dashboard. Test the entire process in a staging environment before going live. Lastly, review your implementation to ensure all steps adhere to compliance requirements. Following these steps will help you verify 3D Secure with Stripe and increase your transaction approval rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.